The side handle gives you additional leverage to control your tool. Side handles are typically used on grinders or drills. On a grinder, it provides a second grip so the grinder is less likely to kick back at you. On a drill, it helps you to control the torque when drilling a large hole, or as the drill bit breaks through when drilling in metal. Replacing the side handle is simple to do, and I'll show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The side handle is threaded onto the gearbox on your grinder. To remove it, you just unscrew it. Now we can install the new side handle. I'll align it with either opening on the gearbox and then just thread it into place. And that's how easy it is to replace your grinder's side handle. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.